Real world images of the OnePlus 12 has been leaked. The picture has been shared by tipster Abhishek Yadav and Ice Universe on X, while tipster Max confirmed the phone is indeed the OnePlus 12. The images seem to have originated from the official OnePlus Oppo BOE event held yesterday. OnePlus posted the information from the event on the Weibo channel, confirming that the OnePlus 12 will have the most advanced 2K display made by the Chinese display manufacturer BOE. Previous leaks suggested the flagship will be equipped with a 6.82-inch LTPO 120Hz screen, and OnePlus has now confirmed it. OnePlus 12 will feature a 3168 x 1440 display resolution. The company has revealed that it will be the brightest screen in the world with far more than 2600 peak brightness. That is a major leap compared to the OnePlus 11, which was 1300 nits. The leaked OnePlus 12 pictures also show the phone's central place punch hole selfie shooter, a clear view of the alert slider on the back of the screen, and the power and volume buttons on the right side. The back of the phone is visible with one of the two leaked OnePlus 12 images, but the rear camera is hidden by some sort of cover. So we are expecting the launch to be done in December or January for this phone in China market.